Hello friends, in this tutorial we are going to learn middlewares, right? So let's start the tutorial. So basically middlewares comes play into the role whenever we try to assess a route and we don't want to assess the users to use this route. So we are going to bind it in a group of middlewares so that it cannot assess that route, right? So here in this one, we are going to check whether the status of that user is active or inactive. On the basis of that, we are going to redirecting or showing the message accordingly, right? So let's start the tutorial. So first of all go and check the middleware. So I'm going to create the middleware like this. Open terminal. Here I'm going to write check status middleware created. So let's go to the middleware app http middlewares my check status. This is opening here. So let's bind up something with the row user. So let me go to my right. So here I'm going to add some logic. Okay. Auth.user.status is active or right, otherwise it will not work. Then we will use our custom middleware auth.check or auth.user. It will work, I guess. Use auth. So let me add the auth over here. Here I'm going to put user auth user or status equal to active, status equal to 1, because in the database what the status is, we have status where we have the status is 1, right? So I'm going to put it only 1, right? And after this we need to add this in the this file in the kernel.php. So let's add this. Where is web.php? Local kernel.php. Here we are, kernel.php. I'm going to add this class. Back status. After this, we need to go to the add the routes. So let's go and add the route in the web.php. So here I'm going to add my route. Check status. And here we have the route check status with the class group with the home controller. So let's make it. You can say home controller we have. Let's check. HTTP controllers home controller. We have the home controller. Okay. So I'm going to create a new function over here that is called the home. In the web we are mentioning the class home controller with home. Okay. So let's add, this is index public function home, and to put our active status, right? So let's check this one. Let's go to the web. We'll check status active or not in the home controller. Home controller does not exist. Okay. Why home controller does not exist? We need to add like this one, customer controller at the rate home. So we have a home controller. So we have to put the home controller controller, and to add the function home, so I have passed it over the top the controller, home controller at the rate index. Okay, so let's check now it's working or not. Active status. Currently, what we have logged in, it has active status. So suppose, and we have mentioned the active status, and if I'm going to change the status to be 0, then what happened? Your account is inactive. See, I have just looked at the logic in the custom middleware, sorry, in the where we have added that one in the check status. See, we have mentioned the status is 1. Now suppose I'm putting the status 0. Currently status is 0. Account active status, right? So this is how you can use the middleware easily, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you understand the concept of the middleware and what we are doing with that. So please do like, share and comment. If you have any issue in the middleware, have a great day.